December 14th, real feel of 17 below 0 Fahrenheit. Actual temperature right now is 4 below, but we got to get the cars running. We got to go to church. I don't do that Skype in my pajamas while I drink my coffee church. If I can make it, we're going to church. We're going to start with my wife's Honda. I'm only raising the hood so y'all can watch it. We'll see if it'll kick off. If not, I'll have to get the jumper box. If that don't work, I'll build a fire. Well, that was fairly easy. We haven't put a battery in this ever since we've owned it, and that's been well over 5 years. It wasn't new when we bought it either. It's got 205,000 miles on it. Make sure I got the heater on high. Now sliding over to my Ram. My wife gets there early because she helps with the music and stuff. Open the hood so you can hear it if it ticks, bangs, get you a little closer. All right, see if this will start. It wasn't so bad. My lips are starting to freeze up, so I'm gonna go in and we are finished getting ready. Wherever you are, have good service.